On the next quilt show, so Alex has taken her turn at hosting all by herself, and now it's my turn. Only I have something to share that unfortunately Alex doesn't. We're coming to you from our brand new studios near Dallas, Texas. We'll give you a look around our new production home, but then it's back to important things like quilting. And we have just the guest to share it with you, Miss Teri Lucas.
Howdy.
No, Teri, it's howdy.
Howdy, Ricky.
Exactly. So Teri, tell us what you're fixing to show us.
I'm going to show you a little color, thread, and free motion stitching.
It's going to be great. Plus, you've heard about one person's trash is another person's treasure. Well, wait till you see what those clever members of the Studio Art Quilt Associates are making out of the most unusual materials.
And just when you think you've seen it all.
Absolutely. There's so much inspiration out there, and so much of it is happening on this show.
Check it out on the next quilt show.